Assalamualaikum students, as you know that we are doing nowadays our chapter number 5, which is based on sets and functions. So now we have to discuss today our new topic, which is Venn diagrams. So first of all we have to discuss its definition and representations. So our today's topic is Venn diagrams. Students, the Venn diagrams basically the representation, geometrical representation of sets. In this we have defined sets, describe the sets with the help of diagrams. So for making the diagrams, few shapes we have to discuss. Our first shape is the shape of rectangle. So rectangle represent the universal set in the Venn diagram. When you have to draw the rectangle, then this represent the universal set in Venn diagram. Similarly, the next figure is circle. So circle represent in Venn diagram the given subsets, like in any question U set given, so U set is the universal set, and next one the sets given which are A and B. So A and B represent with the help of circles, and also A and B are the subsets of universal set. So now we have to start our exercise number 5.3. This is our exercise 5.3, question number 4. If U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, then we have to prove A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement with the help of Venn diagram. So let's start our question. The given values are U, which is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. Now we have to find A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So first of all, left hand side, which is equal to A union B whole complement. So in this we have to find A union B. So the elements of set A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 union B 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So the union of these two subsets is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. Now A union B whole complement, which is equal to U minus A union B. So the union set is 1, 2, 3 up to 10 minus A union B, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So the complement of these two sets will equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then remaining is 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10 cancel and this 10. So now we have to draw its Venn diagram. So first of all we have to draw our rectangle, which is represent U universal set. Now we have to draw our two subsets, which are A and B. So when we have to draw our subset, first of all look at the elements of the subset. There are few types of subsets. One, which are distinct, mean there is no common number in between A and B. These two sets are distinct set. There is no common number in the subset. Second one are overlapping sets. So overlapping sets means few elements of set A are present in set B. Look, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. The common numbers are 3, 5. These three numbers are present in both the sets. So these type of sets are called overlapping sets, and we have to draw its diagram as like this. This is A set, this is B set, and this portion is the common portion where the common elements lie. So now we have to write the elements. The set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and the set B is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So the common elements are 3 and 5, 3, 5. And the elements of set A, this is representation of the set A. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B set 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. Now look, this universal set contains 1 to 10, means all the elements from 1 to 10. So remaining will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is the representation of the sets. Now we have to draw the representation of solution. So A union B, when we have to find A union B. So A union B means the set A combined with the set B. So for this we have to draw horizontal lines which are represented the union of A union B. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. All the elements represent in this. Now we have to find A union B whole complement. The representation of A union B whole complement, we have to draw it with the help of vertical lines. So this is the mathematical representation of sets in the form of Venn diagrams. Now we have to write A union B shown by horizontal lines and A union B whole complement shown by vertical lines. Now we have to solve its right hand side. Now we have to find right hand side. So the given sets are U, A and B. So for this, first of all we have to find A complement, which is equal to U minus A. The U set is 1, 2, 3 up to 10 minus A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So our answer will equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now we have to find B complement, U minus B, which is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10 minus B set is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus and 9 and 10. So now we have find A complement intersection B complement. The elements of A complement are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Intersection the elements of B complement 1, 6, 7, 9, 10. So our answer will equals to the common numbers 6 and 10. Now we have to draw. So this is our Venn diagram, the rectangle which represent the universal set U. Now we have to draw the subsets. So these are two subsets. First one is A, second one is B. The common elements was 3 and 5. The elements of A are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The elements of B are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. And the remaining elements which are in U, these are 6 and 10. Now we have to draw first A complement, which is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the region of U and B. So this is the representation of A complement with the help of vertical lines. Now we have to draw B complement. So this is the representation of B complement, which is shown by the horizontal lines. So now is A complement intersection B complement, which is equal to 6, 10. If we focus on this diagram, the elements of A intersection in A complement intersection B complement is 6 and 10, means the remaining elements of the set U. So these are also highlighted with these boxes. So we have to write A complement intersection B complement shown by the box line. I hope you will understand. Thank you, students.